Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new subscription box to share with you. This is the fall Causebox, and this one I have never done on my channel, so I am very excited to feature this in today's video and unbox it with you. And fall is always my favorite season. They always have the best boxes, and this one is pretty popular. So let me know if you guys have tried this or if you have heard of it. If not, I'm really excited to be able to share it with you. But they kindly sent this over and are sponsoring today's video, so thank you so much to Causebox. But I did want to go over some details about this box. So as you can see, this is fairly big. This is a lifestyle box, so you're going to get a variety of different products in here. It is around $50 a month. I do have a discount code with them. I will leave down below if you want to save a little bit of money, and you can get this box currently. So they do these every season. So this one is the fall one, like I mentioned, and you're going to get a value of $250 or more, which is crazy. But the best thing, and I think the most unique thing about Causebox, is that pretty much all their products are ethically sourced and very community driven. They support a lot of small businesses, so you might not have heard of a lot of the brands in here, but we're gonna get some great quality products and be able to support a smaller business and discover some new things. So if that sounds like something you are interested in, then keep on watching. But yeah, let's go ahead and start unboxing. I did get a little bit of a magazine here with all the product info here, and on the back it says, "We're creating a greener, fairer, and kinder way to shop." They did send me a couple extra things because I want to show you the choice items as well. They do something similar to like FabFitFun, where you can pick a couple products if you are an annual member, if you sign up for the year subscription up front. So you do get those perks with that, but if you guys just want to sign up quarterly, they will choose the products for you. So unboxing here, here's a little peek on the inside. By the way, their boxes are designed by artists as well. They have really gorgeous boxes. Okay, so I'm kind of opening my magazine because I kind of want to follow along so I can show you guys everything in here and show the choice items. So with this, you could choose either a BATHEN bathrobe or a BATHEN waffle towel set. Both of them are in a mint or a charcoal color. So I have here the mint bathrobe. I'll show you guys everything. But this is kind of how the bathrobe looks. If you want to see color, texture, it does have that waffle knit kind of pattern, but it's a really pretty pastel mint. This retails for $90. It says, "Unbelievably cozy and superbly soft, could end up being your new fave WFH uniform." Oh, work from home. I was like, what? And then let me show you the gray color as well that it comes with. So they have mint or gray in those, so you could choose the bathrobe or the towels. Oh wow, you get a lot in here. Okay, so the towels here, these are also $90 value. It says also unbelievably cozy and superbly soft. You get 2 bath and 2 hand towels. So they are pretty big, the same texture and everything as the bathrobe, but this is what the towel looks like. These are a little bit on the thinner side, I will say. And then 2 of the washcloths. And it's the full length of that. I feel like I always can use new kitchen towels and bath towels. I'm always losing mine or needing to replace them, so I thought that was a pretty cool little thing to get. Alright, for product number 2, we have 2 options here. So the first option, this is by the brand TEASE Tea. It is a glass 3-in-1 tea and fruit tumbler. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Wow, it's super nice. It comes in this holder, and then you pull it out. So with this one, it says that it's convenient and easy way to brew, used for tea, coffee, or fruit infusions. It's a $39 value, so you just, I guess, stick your tea bag right in there and you are good to go. I don't have anything like this. The quality seems really amazing on this, and I like that it comes with this little holder too, so you don't have to worry about the glass breaking if you're putting it in your bag. So that's an option for product number 2. And the next option for product number 2 is from Artisan Direct, and this is made in India. It's the Milky Way Lantern, and it says gold-plated steel on here. This has a $40 value as well. So this is what that looks like. It says, "It's written in the stars, insert a tea candle," which is not included, "and light up the night." That's going to be so pretty. So I would love to put this on my deck, just put a little candle in there and have all those stars shining through. That would be so gorgeous. You could use this in your house as well, but I think it'd be so pretty like out on the patio. Such a cute thing. I mean, I feel like everyone would like this for the most part. Alright, let's go to product number 3. We have a product here from the brand VOLIM, I believe is how you say it. It is their Love Scrub. It says 3-in-1 hyaluronic acid, red tea, and seaweed microderm exfoliator. This retails for $56. Let's go ahead and open it up. You can definitely see the texture there. So you're gonna have to add water to that to really get it nice and gritty, and then put that on the face, and I bet your face is gonna feel amazing after. And it smells really good as well. So that's an option for product number 3. Another option is from Aromatherapy Associates. This is the Destress Muscle Gel Focusing and Soothing. Very interesting. It says experience the warming and easing powers of rosemary, black pepper, lavender, and ginger to distress your body after spending too long in one position or after too much physical activity. Wow, very cool. I'm gonna have to have my husband try this because I feel like he's always sore, his muscles are always achy, and see how he likes this. I think it's a very cool thing. This retails for $39, and it says it's amazing for like a post-workout. I wanted to smell it. This definitely smells very strong of eucalyptus is what I get, but I also see that it has a lot of lavender oil. Yeah, lots of different essential oils in here, but really cool idea. There was one more option in that third category, which I do not have. I think there was something with the shipment for the influencer boxes, but it's a rose gold crisscross cuff from Tribe Alive. It says a stylish bangle featuring an intricate crisscross design at 42 value, so that's also a possibility. Moving on to product number 4, we have something from the Green Co. And these are reusable cotton rounds. Ooh, very interesting. So these are made with bamboo fiber and cotton velvet. You can machine wash these, and they are dryer friendly. Okay, that is gonna be a game changer because I go through so many cotton rounds and I always feel bad like throwing them out. So this is gonna be amazing. Okay, so they come in this little sack, and let's see. This is what they look like. Oh wow, they're so soft. So yeah, they should be good. I was worried if they'd be too like exfoliating on the skin, but they are incredibly soft. It feels just like a silky material, and you just use that to apply whatever toner or maybe makeup remover that you are using on here, and then you could throw that easily in the wash. This retails for $10. It says it replaces up to 12,000 cotton balls or facial rounds, and this is actually a laundry bag, so you could use that so that they don't get messed up in the laundry. That has to be the coolest thing, I think. It was probably the cheapest thing in here, but I love that. They also sent this, which I'm really excited for. This is another option for category 4, but this is by Buzzy. It's the Organic Basil Chef Garden Grow Kit. You guys, I've been wanting to start my own garden. I feel like a lot of people have, like during quarantine, been wanting to start up their own garden. I've been nervous about it, but I'm so excited because now I can grow my own basil, and this just gives me the jump start to just go ahead and do it. It's a complete grow kit. It includes recipe, pale seeds, growing medium, and all the instructions. Very exciting. This one retails for $10 as well, so this is going to be really cool, so I can finally have some fresh basil on hand to spice up my recipes. Okay, so those are the choice products. The next items everyone will be receiving in their boxes. So first thing, I have a serum here. I think the brand is Serum, is that correct? So the brand is actually Way of Will, so they have a little logo there, but it did not say that anywhere on the packaging. This is their brightening face serum. This retails for $37.50. It says for a healthy, dewy glow. It fights free radicals and hydrates skin, made with vitamins A and C. It has marula, I love marula, black currant, and carrot in it. And here's what the actual product looks like. I kind of want to smell it too. It's very lightly scented. I don't think it has any artificial fragrance at all. So this looks really cool. I'm definitely wanting to try this out. It's so fun to discover some brand new brands, and if you guys are really into natural products, I think you will really love this box. Okay, and then the last thing in here, this is from Core Bamboo, and it is a bamboo serve set. And this looks really nice. I actually really need this. So it comes with a cutting board. You also have these like tongs and this spatula spoon. This retails for $35, and it says prep and serve using the set made from one of the most renewable sources in the world, bamboo. So love, love, love this. I cannot wait. I really needed some new utensils, and any way I can be more ethical and kinder to the environment, I'm all about it. So that is everything I got in this month's Causebox. Like I said, this does retail for around $50. With my code, I think it is 20% off, which I'll leave down below, or I'll put it in a text here. I think this is a really cool box. It might not be for everyone, but I did want to share this on here because I really love the message that this company stands behind, supporting the small businesses and giving you guys ethical things, clean things, kind things to the environment. I love that. So I think this is really cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you guys want to snag this box, I would definitely do it ASAP because these do sell out every season. But that's gonna be it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.